So now I'm going to go over what your short answer question is, what exactly I want y'all to do with it. And that way y'all know exactly what I'm expecting and what I'm looking for. So the directions are going to be in Schoology. You need to read the question, okay? Write your responses. They do have to be in complete sentences. You have to answer all part of the questions. Like I said, you can't outline, you can't bullet. It has to be in complete sentences. So what you're going to do for this one, there's a passage, and the passage is in the question box in Schoology. So you need to use your passage and the knowledge of history, and so this is going to be about Islam spreading into Africa to answer the question, okay? So this is talking about Ghana. It's going to be written by a Muslim scholar who's living in Cordoba, Spain. Okay, so remember, this is where the Umayyads had set up a caliphate. This was also called Al-Andalus. So he's, using his reference point of living in Spain, talking about Ghana, which was where the rulers adopted Islam in West Africa. Okay, so I only have you answering the first two parts of this prompt. We're not going to look at part C. I just want y'all to look at parts 1 and 2. So for part A, and it really helps when you write out your response if you put A like this and then type out your response, then skip a line, then put B, then type out your response. So identify one way in which Islam successfully spread to sub-Saharan Africa by the 11th century. So you would say, Islam was able to successfully spread to sub-Saharan Africa during this time period because, and then give me your example. How did it spread? And then answer the so what. Explain. How did it get there? What impact did it have? Then for part B, identify one way in which Islamic practices were changed as the religion spread to sub-Saharan Africa by the 11th century. So then you can say, Islamic practices changed as the religion spread to sub-Saharan Africa as a result of, or one way that it changed was this, and then go through and answer the rest of that and explain. Each one of these bullet points, like A and B, go away. Sorry. No, I need to close my window. Sorry. My emails are popping up. Y'all just need to do 2 to 3 sentences for each bullet point. This is not meant to be a super long essay. It's just to prove, do you know how to look at sources? Do you know how to draw on questions and answer them? So it's just a short response. So 2 to 3 sentences, 4 max, because you're going to run out of room. You only get a page on the test to write. So this is what y'all are doing today. Like I said, you're only doing parts A and B. Make sure you answer the question, give a specific example, especially from the passage, since this has a passage, and make sure you explain. Once you've written your answer, like, look, does it answer so what? Or why is this important? And then you're good to go. And I will grade them this weekend or Monday night if you're writing this on Tuesday. And we'll see how you guys do. So good luck.